Hi guys, when I was doing my Lego video, I said I was gonna, yeah, I did do a Nerf gun video. You guys were wondering. Now I did a Nerf gun video, right? This is an apartment, it's just the outback. Our hideout's up there. One day I want to go up there and record that, but yeah. This is gonna be my farm model. I am a farm kid. I'm one of them. We don't own a farm, but yeah. Let's go ahead and show you. If I go into the table, and it is on a table, I have a 9-row header. If any of you other guys are farmers, yeah, 9-row corn header for an international. 3-row. What is a 3-row for? No, I don't think I would for a wheat head. John Deere forage harvester. Go over here. I have a back there. I have a Ram 2500. The hood lifts up. It's actually really hard. Here. There we go. Got it. I don't think you guys can see. Sorry, it's a little dark. Grain trailer. Nice. This top comes up. 2 flatbeds. 4 different trucks. Over here. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark. No, you can't. There's a wheat header and 16-row corn header. Over here, my international, no number, but it is an international, hooked up to my custom John Deere rake. Black on the top. Let me go ahead and hook it back up. 15. Now this international has a number. It's one of the older ones. I can tell because of the wheel. An international 1588 with the John Deere sprayer. 2 John Deere newer spreaders and.
What are you doing lurking under the table?
It's my phone model. I'm making a video.
We already made a video.
No problem. We go up here. We'll start over here. Got a John Deere 7215R, and this is a grass mat. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a grass mat. It's a little dark in here. Here. Is there a flashlight on this tab? Oh. It got a little bit brighter for a second. Grass mat. 8345R 2R series, and my only New Holland is a New Holland T77. Few round bales, cattle. Guys, this is supposed to be we don't have enough cows that we're making good profit, but horse. You're wondering, I can't leave my horses out in the night. So there's that door. Once we let all the cows in, we shut the door and we bring the horse over here. That's where the horse sits for a minute. And when he does, you move this gate, which that gate then slides over, so the horse is able to go off through there. Only the cows can go in there during the day. F350 custom silo. Go ahead and open up the roof. That I actually made a hole in the roof so it can go on there. Grass mat, part of it. Bale. There's cows in there. It's really hard because I'm using one hand. Custom silo and custom auger. That's an F350 with dualies. I can probably show the duals from extra fence. There's a gooseneck trailer in there and a horse trailer. F350 does have duals though. Liam's right there. He's usually got a Ford 5000 730 720. I don't know if this is a 120 or 720. That's a New Holland hay rake. 6030 and 1590 Grainger. I have a no numbered John Deere. I call it a 4240.
50,000 likes.
Okay, yeah. So
Another video about an awesome one.
John Deere 4430. Royal Crop Tools. This one actually has a number. International no number. That's supposed to be in my seed thing. Like that's a seed in there. A seed in there. Oh. Can go ahead and 8230. 8230 axial Case IH axial flow combine. And I have a W260 John Deere windrower or Moco. In my shed, my little shed, spray painted it. It actually used to be a dealership, so you may see like the stuff inside. Here, this is a no number tractor. It's like got it in a Hot Wheels set. And has a loader on it. This is my round baler. This is a John Deere 56080 Mega Wide Plus. It's very nice. In there, that thing moves, and of course the tires move. This is a L340 square baler. L340 then it's John Deere. Yeah, I forgot the number on this tractor, but it's a 16 row planter. Let's see if I can get it undone with one hand. Yep. Here's how big it is. The things on the side can move out. Go ahead and move one out. Here, I'm not going to say this. That's what it looks like with them out and flattened. I gotta go set you guys down for 1 second. Okay, here you go. Sorry. 7780 self-propelled Pro Drive. 7780 John Deere forage harvester. Challenger or Caterpillar 65 goes in there. It's not usually a used thing. 1460 International Combine. These were what the little headers went to. Not a common used thing on my farm. 62 620 quad track John Deere, no number. Don't know what to call it either. Olivers, I do have some Olivers. Got an Oliver 88. These actually all came in a pack. You can go on to Windy Hill Farm Toys and get it, or pretty much on any website. An Oliver 1555, sorry. It's a 1555. This thing would have a turbo in it. But it's really nice. This is my favorite Oliver. It's not focusing on it, but it says it's a 1950T. It's not focusing on it, but it is 1950T. Thank you guys for watching my video. We're going for 5,000 likes. Let's do this.
We'll do an awesome video.
What is that noise? I don't know. Let's go look. There's a noise outside. Let's go. We'll bring you guys. Oh. Hey, look, there's a little sweeper truck. That's cool. Yes, sir.
So we have a speaker.
Come back for another video, and this will be 5,000 likes. And once we get 5,000 likes, we'll do a video on these Mashams. Yes. See you guys. all in another
Let's
video.
watch another video.
Bye.